Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a palette called, this is Emotion Collection by Corazon. I don't know how to spell this. I don't speak Spanish, but I thought this was a cute palette. I found this on eBay. I just looked at colorful palettes and I looked at this palette and I really like the color story. So that's why I picked this palette out. I think it's a real fall-like palette. Very nice. The color story is beautiful. So I wanted to try this out. This reminds me of Beauty Creations. And I found on their website these are very expensive. Around $50. I found this for $20, and so yeah, that's why I got it. And here's the back of it. So yeah, two more, 13 and 20. So this is the color story I have to play with today. Very nice colors. It was really nice. When I swatched it, there was no fallout or anything. This is really nice, smooth, not buttery, but pretty close to buttery formula. I just really like the color story that my number generator picked out. First off the bat, I'm going to put this cream shade inside the inner corner real quick to figure out what I want to do with my eyes today with these colors. I already primed my eyes, so everything should be pigmented and beautiful. I really like this yellow cream shade. It's very nice, light color, little shimmery. I'm gonna pull you in a little bit closer so you can try to see it's a very light, sparkly yellow color. It's like a yellow cream color. It's very light, you can see. I probably want to put this pinkish purple shade in the crease area. So it's really purple, but when I swatched it was a pink color. I'm just gonna put that around the crease area. So I found out Beauty Creations and this, what is this? Emotion Collection are both Latina owned brands. So I thought that was really nice. And this is you don't see these brands very often. I only seen these on eBay. So they're an indie brand, but I really like to support the little, these are amazing. I have Beauty Creations and I love that formula. So I wanted to try this formula out, and I think these are a little bit of a tie. I thought these were going to be a sister brand, but I couldn't see anything that was sisterly. And this is a little bit bigger than the Beauty Creations, but the pans look identical. But the Beauty Creations don't have a mirror like this one. And I thought this was nice to have a mirror. So yeah, I'm enjoying this so far, really good. So it shows off a pink color, even though I'm digging into a purple shade right there. So that was a little different, but I don't mind. So I'm going in with this shimmery blue. And this is a matte, purple, but it shows off a little bit of a pink. Going in the crease area, closer to the lid. Just going like this, kind of like a wing in the outer portion. And then a V type. So I tried to match the other side. Tried my best. Okay, now I want to go into this shimmer shade. It's like very tiny fallout, not that much to no fallout. I thought that was nice. I'm probably gonna put some tacky glue. So I'm putting this all over the lid portion so I can get more of a pigment payoff on the shade. It's very light, it's the brush. But I wanted like something more packing like kind of brush. That's why I picked this. But I might have to change brushes. I'm just gonna do this all over the lid. Okay, I got that finished. I had to keep reapplying this shade right here. Very nice though. I really like it. This side looks way better, of course, and then this side is like butchered. But oh well. Don't mind. I think I'm gonna do the blue underneath. That waterline underneath my lashes. Like a spring look. I have to figure out what to do with the shimmer shade. In the meantime, just gonna do my lower portion of the eye, because this to me doesn't match up with this, so I'm just gonna have to figure that out. I'm gonna go in with the shade. Go in with the shade. Okay, now that eye look is almost completed, I have to figure out what to do with this. I'm gonna bring in with the silicone brush, dip into the glitter. I'm just gonna go in the outer portion. Little detail right here. Like a V where the blue is. Okay, that is what it's looking so far. Tried my best. Okay, that is the finished look. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. And this is the color story. Once again, I found this on eBay, so if you want to see if you want to get this, just tell me and put it in my description box down below. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.